Hello, welcome to Recipes by Janki. Today I am going to share a live Dhokla recipe that usually serves during the wedding. And this is very healthy and unique Dhokla that you don't need to ferment the batter. And this is very tasty. So here I'm taking one bowl. You can take any size of bowl and for the measurement. So here I have taken yellow moong dal, white urad dal, and some chana dal. Same amount of rice. I'm using a Sona Masuri rice. You can use any rice. So make sure you use the same bowl to measure all the ingredients. That way you get the perfect dokla. So now into the big bowl, I'm adding all the ingredients, the rice and dals. So you can see it has more dal than the rice. So it has a protein rich. It's good for kids' lunch. Now give it a good mix. So we will wash it for 3 4 times until we see the clear water, and we will soak it for at least 3 to 4 hours. You can also make it for kids lunch box. So you can for that you can make a batter overnight and just keep it in a refrigerator, as we don't need to ferment this batter. So now you can see that's soaked well. So now I will use the same amount of yogurt, that is dahi, and make a batter using little bit of water. Don't add too much water. So we want a batter not too thick, not too thin. So I have just used half of the dal mix, and I will make just a one batch first. So here into the bowl, I have taken around a 4 to 5 uh, the ladle of the batter. I have added salt to taste. Now just give it a good mix. So now onto the side, I have heat up the water for steaming this dokla. Now let's grease the pan, plate. Here you can add some turmeric powder, a pinch of turmeric powder. This is optional. It will make a yellow dokla. If you want a white, then just skip it. You can also add green chili and ginger paste. If you want, you can add garlic too. But here I'm making just for kids, so I'm not adding green chili and ginger paste. So we are not fermenting the batter, so I will use the eno, that is the fruit salt. So here I have added around 3 4 teaspoon of fruit salt, and just add a little bit of water to activate the eno. And now just give it a good mix. Everything should be mixed well. Now once you add eno, just make sure you just put the batter for steaming. Don't let it sit for longer time. Now just pour the batter on a plate. You can add as much as you want. If you want a thin dokla, then just add a little less. Now I will sprinkle some red chili powder. This is Kashmiri red chili powder. This gives a good look and gives a good taste as well. So this will make 2 plates of dokla. So into the onto this boiling hot water, I will put the plates and let's steam it for at least 12 to 15 minutes. You can check it by inserting a knife. If it comes out clear, then it means it's ready. Let's just cover it. And now you can see after 12 minutes, it's ready. I am drizzling the peanut oil on the top. That tastes very good. And this doklas, you can dip it in a oil. And also I will share my special recipe of chutney that goes very well with this dokla. So stay tuned for the chutney recipe. Now let's give it a cut. You can cut it in your desired shape and size. I'm just cutting in square pieces. You can see how soft and fluffy it is. This is super soft and spongy. So now let's share my chutney recipe. So into the jar, I'm using 2 handful of dhania. that is coriander, some green chili, around 2, and to make a very smooth texture, I am adding 8 to 10 pieces of dokra, and I'm using a lemon. So I will add around 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So this is very spicy, sweet and sour chutney. It goes very well with this dokla. So now into this I will add salt to taste. So just make sure dokla already has the salt. So just add a part of the dhania and green chili. Don't add too much, and give a good sweet flavor. To balance out the sweet and sourness, I will add half a teaspoon of sugar and just a little bit of water to help grind this mixture, around a fourth 1/4 cup. Now you can see our chutney is ready. It is very smooth and vibrant green color. So you can see it's very easy and instant dokla that doesn't need any fermentation. So please do try my recipe and let me know in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.